Here is a Mercedes Sprinter fridge conversion. Fitted to this vehicle is the Xarios Xarios 350 multi-temperature unit. Also fitted to this vehicle is our lightweight kit insulation. This is lighter and more efficient than traditional fiberglass insulation. It also comes with LED lighting for great load area illumination. All our conversions are built in-house for better quality control. This conversion is designed to give temperature flexibility in both load areas for chill and frozen applications. A lightweight movable and removable wall has been installed in the rear. This multi-temperature refrigeration unit comes with a dual display controller so the driver can see temperatures in each compartment. For more information on this and other conversions we have carried out, please contact us at our website listed below.